In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Obsidian Canvas. Canvas is a visual workspace inside Obsidian that lets you lay out notes, cards, and media on an infinite board so you can see connections at a glance and organize ideas spatially. Start by opening Obsidian. Once you're in your vault, head to Settings, which you'll find at the bottom left of the app. In Settings, choose Core Plugins. This is where Obsidian's built-in features live. Look for Canvas in the list and make sure it's enabled. If the toggle is off, switch it on. When Canvas is enabled, Obsidian adds the Canvas file type and related commands, which you'll use to create and work with boards. While you're still in Settings, it's a good time to set up shortcuts. Find the Hotkeys section and search for Canvas. Next to the Canvas commands, click the plus button to add your preferred hotkeys. Pick keys that are easy for you to remember and don't conflict with shortcuts you already rely on. If there's a conflict, Obsidian will alert you so you can choose a different combination. With Canvas enabled and your hotkeys set, use your new hotkey to create a fresh canvas. A blank infinite board opens. This is your workspace. You can pan around by dragging the background and zoom with your trackpad or mouse wheel. The idea is to place items wherever they make sense for your project, grouping and arranging them visually. To add content, look toward the bottom of the canvas. You can drag items from the bar below onto the board, or click, hold, and drag directly into the canvas to position elements exactly where you want them. If you prefer, you can also simply click the button below to open the Add menu instead of dragging. Both approaches work the same. It's just about whether you want to drag first or click to choose. From here, you have three primary options. Add card creates a simple text card, like a sticky note, great for quick ideas, labels, or outlines. Add note from the vault lets you place an existing note directly onto the board, keeping it linked to the original file so your content stays in sync. Add media from vault allows you to drop in images, PDFs, or other media stored in your vault, which is helpful for reference material or visual planning. That's the entire workflow. Open Obsidian, enable the Canvas Core plugin, set your hotkeys, create a new canvas, then drag or click to add cards, notes, and media. With these essentials, you're ready to map projects, brainstorm, or plan visually right inside your notes.